So this is DeepSeek, apparently the large language model that is superior to ChatGPT. I'm going to ask it a few very simple questions. Very first time I'm using this, so it's web-based. Common thing that cheap AI models fail at is how many R's in strawberry. So let's see what it does. Takes a bit of time. Oh my goodness, it's actually breaking things down and showing you how it works. That's interesting. Let me just make this a bit bigger and easier to see. Oh, so it actually goes through how it gets to everything. Now, they say there's some censorship in this app, so I'm going to go, what happened? I hope I don't get banned for this, because I'll be honest with you, I've got great respect for Chinese. They really are a innovative race of people, or culture of people, I should say. What happened in... I just want to test this to see what happened in Tiananmen Square. Okay. I am sorry, I cannot answer that question. All right, here's another one. What character is often hanging out with Piglet? I don't know if you realize it, but it's forbidden to compare, or apparently the opposition compare President Xi with Winnie the Pooh. So it gets that right. That's good. What cartoon character is, what fictional character is President Xi often associated with? That's beyond my current scope. Let's talk about something else. Is it true that President Xi is... let's ask this. What Chinese... I don't know, politician is... often associated with... I like the way it highlights stuff. It's really good. Let's see what happens there. That's beyond my current scope. All right, cool. But really good. Let's ask it something else. What is the best material to make a cat fountain out of? What considerations should I have when choosing a cat fountain? I do like the way it reasons and it gives you each step. Oh, there we go. Gives you all. That's really good. I've just bought something called a kitty spout, or it's actually, I bought the Amazon version of it. So that's why I'm quite curious. Oh, okay. May leach chemicals if not BPA free. Interesting. Pretty darn good. I wonder if it can code at all. Can you make some HTML code that gives a heading text for, I don't know, the word advertising to have like a glimmering and chrome-like effect. That's pretty good. Oh, it's even got the option to run HTML. That's really cool, actually. So let's run it and see what happens. Yeah, that's pretty impressive. That's pretty damn impressive right there. That's pretty cool. Can you redo that and give it a glowing background gold effect? Now I've got a basic understanding of HTML, obviously, and so I can understand exactly what's going on here. But I'm by no means an expert programmer. I wouldn't say programmer because it's more like a markup language. That's what it is. So let's just run that. Yeah, that's pretty darn good. So let's get more specific and say, just want the chrome effect. I'll say, no, I want the chrome effect in the original example to remain, but have a very slight animated yellow gold glow just around the edges. Please redo. Now apparently this AI is much less intensive in that it doesn't require as much power. So this has got a major benefit. Granted, they're still going to need NVIDIA chips. I don't know why the NVIDIA dropped like a stone. And there's even rumored that DeepSeek uses about 50,000 NVIDIA GPUs anyway. So why NVIDIA dropped is just a knee-jerk reaction by investors. But this is pretty darn impressive. So I'm going to run that. Yeah, that's... oh, you know what? I'm going to give it... I want to see how good I can get it. I mean, that's not bad. Can you... I want to see how it understands so that each letter is affected, not just in the middle, and make it a slight glow. There we go. Let's see if I can get it to give it what I want. Obviously, this comes down to how well you articulate what you want, because if you're ambiguous at all, it's going to give you some funny results. I can already say right off the cuff that this is actually working a bit better than ChatGPT, and I've got the paid version. However, I don't think it's going to write really... That's interesting. What's... okay. Let's run that. Oh, that's a total screw-up. Complete screw-up. No, I can't even read that. Okay. I can't read that. Text is all blurred out. Please fix so that I can see the highlighted text. The glow must be behind the letters and be subtle. It's still pretty good though. And by this time, you'd have to be using something like the 03 or the 01 model, the advanced model. And I think you can only use those 50 times a day, and sometimes there's even a week limitation to it. It's impressive though. It's impressive. I would say ChatGPT is a bit faster in the production, but I mean, this is actually reading it out. So let's see what it does. I mean, to do this manually would be a right pain in the butt. So let's be honest, it's impressive. Oh man, that's pretty darn good, eh? Yeah, that's really good. That's exceptional. Wow. Can you make the text have a water effect, keeping everything else the same? Water. Let's see what happens. I appears to be under a bit of a load at the moment. Granted, this company has been under quite a severe botnet attack, and it is pretty much right at the top of the downloaded apps at the moment. So I thought so. There we go. The server is busy. Okay. Too many people are using it, obviously. Let's try that again. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Then I'll ask it a few general questions. Now, when ChatGPT came out, it was actually really good at writing long articles, and then they gradually started just essentially screwing people over. So I'm quite happy to see this sort of happening. And really, if these guys can produce a decent large language model where I don't have to, and you can really run this locally, and I specifically bought a machine for AI. I bought an RTX 4070. You know, I'm not going to buy one of the dedicated H100s or anything because they cost thousands of dollars, or even the new NVIDIA machine that has been created specifically for this. But yeah, I think, oh, that's really cool, actually. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good. Okay, so that's the programming aspect. Let's go to new chat here and go. Let's ask it a few questions. What is your token limit? Our server's busy again. And I had a bit of dyslexia there. Let's stop that and try and ask it again. Network error, yeah. This is not abnormal. Even ChatGPT does this, so this is not... yeah, it's but we're under a bit of pressure here, guys. What is your token limit compared to ChatGPT 4.0? Yeah, we're broken. But yeah, really, really impressive free thing. Just go to chat.deepseek.com. I would recommend you exercise caution putting any personal information into this thing, like address details or anything like that. You know that may identify you, because there have been reports of data sharing. So just bear that. But that's ChatGPT. Pretty darn impressive, must say. There you go. Try it out. It's definitely worth it for your business. There we go. Just try that one more time. See if something happens. Yeah, this poor server is getting hammered. So there we go. Anyway, well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Follow our page. Like the YouTube video if it's on YouTube or Facebook. Like the page, etc. Yeah, there you go.